Kasal daw dapat doon.
He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you, you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Gising yan. Ilang months na yan, ante?
Ha?
Ilang months na?
5.
Ah.
Approve pa nga yung nandun.
Si Uncle, video si Uncle, oh.
Hindi nagsasabi. Lang sa Uncle. Baboy niya. Mga anak daw yung baboy niya, nagwawala na. Hindi daw.
Mamaya, bibilis na to.
Kaya akala ko nakaalis na yung
Oo.
Kaya,
Ang dami rin palang nag-book ngayon, no? Ibig sabihin, may madami tayong kasabay doon. Dapat tayo lang. Solo. Ah.